Can you tell me a little bit more about the difference between your do-it-yourself kit and the fiber optic ceiling? All right, so let me lump in the do-it-yourself kit and my painting versus the fiber optics. Fiber optics are great if you have a room that can't get totally dark or fairly dark. If you're going to have a lot of light, like a restaurant or some people have game rooms that I had one guy I talked to had 20 some pinball machines. They were all lit up. Well, I talked him out of going with the painted one because fiber optics would be better in that situation because of the light. The light in the room washes out my super small stars. You can see a fiber optic ceiling. I have a lot of lights going on here for this video, and I would be able to see the fiber optics. No way would you see one of my painted murals. So fiber optics are great when you are going to have light in the room. Now, the painted mural, you can't touch it with fiber optics in the realism. You cannot get the realism in a fiber optic ceiling as you can with the painted one. Even my do-it-yourself kit, you're going to end up with probably 10 to 12 different sizes of stars, which is going to give you a 3D effect. It's amazing. In a 10 by 10 room with my kit, you're going to probably have 2,000 stars in there. A fiber optic kit is going to give you maybe 300. And if I paint it, you're going to get between 2,000 and 3,000 stars. And a lot of those are super small, and that gives you the 3D. I believe that fiber optics, they give you 4 or 5 different light, the diameter of the fiber optic, so you can see some difference, but it doesn't come close to realism. Again, fiber optics is great if you have a lot of light. The painted is way better if you want realism and you have a dark room.